Hello, I'm Wanda from Bonanza. In this video, we will walk through the steps of importing your items using a CSV file. A CSV file is a spreadsheet used to import your inventory in bulk. You can easily transfer all your existing products in detail from your store or marketplace to Bonanza in just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver. The benefit of using a CSV file is you can organize and make bulk changes to your inventory without having to update listing by listing. Okay, let's get started. First, hover your mouse over Selling. Then go to the bottom of the drop-down, Import from Inventory File. Then select the CSV file that you have saved on your computer. Your file must be saved as a CSV file. Once you click Import Items, this will take you to your active listing. This process may take time depending on the number of items being imported. Here are a few requirements for successful import. You must use column headings that describe each required field. Column headings must be lowercase, no caps. You must include at least these required fields. First, the ID, then the title, price, description, and quantity. Duplicate titles will not import. Each file must contain less than 50,000 unique listings. CSV files can seem overwhelming if you have not worked with them before. Not to worry, additional information is available in our help pages. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.